In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your ElevenLabs plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. Upgrading your ElevenLabs subscription is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step so you can get to the plan that best suits your needs. First things first, the starting point of this journey is logging into your ElevenLabs account. Head over to the ElevenLabs website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as your control center, where you can access all the features available to you. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the upgrade section. You have two pretty simple options here. The first option is to look at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. There you will find a button labeled Upgrade. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't see that option or prefer another route, that's totally fine. Simply look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that, and in the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the Settings page, navigate to Manage Subscription, and you'll be directed to the same upgrade area. Once you're in the upgrade section, it's time to select a plan that aligns with your requirements. ElevenLabs offers several tiers: Starter, Creator, Stop Pro, and Scale. Take a moment to review each option, the features, the capabilities, and of course, the pricing. Consider how you plan to use ElevenLabs and what will give you the most value. After you've made your choice, the next step is to decide on your payment frequency. You'll notice you have the option to pay either monthly or annually. If you're considering going for the yearly subscription, keep in mind that it typically offers a discount compared to the monthly payment plan. It might save you some money in the long run, so think about what works best for you before you make that selection. Once you've decided on the plan and the payment frequency, go ahead and click on Continue. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll need to enter your payment information. Fill in your card details and any other required specifics. Take a moment to double-check that everything is correct, especially the payment information, to ensure a smooth transaction. When you're satisfied that all your information is accurate, click on the button to finalize your subscription. Voila! You've successfully upgraded your ElevenLabs plan. After upgrading, you can start enjoying the additional features and benefits that come with your new subscription tier. Whether it's access to advanced tools or enhanced support, these upgrades can be a game changer for your projects. So there you have it, the complete process to upgrade your ElevenLabs plan in just a few easy steps. Remember, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content.